Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Here I'll be showing fuse box location on this Maxima. So if you want to know where the OBD port to plug in DQ or scanner tool, it's right in here, right under the steering wheel. And to get to the first fuse box, it's right here, and the information about it right here. And there's your fuses. To get to the second one, you gotta open the hood. That should hold. Mine's not really holding. Second one will be right in here. Information is right here. And there's your fuses. Your third one, it's right in here. You might have to take the clips off. There's a few clips. Mine's loose, except I'm on a clip. It's right in here. So once you take the cover off, you look in here. They're right in there. The fuses and some relays. This one has the locations of them right in here. To close it, just line it up. Make sure it clicks. Then put this cover on. Put all the clips that you need, and you're all done. Maybe there's more, I'm not sure, but if you know, comment below. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.